Brutalism in interior design, the raw beauty of simplicity. If you've ever walked into a space and been struck by its unapologetic honesty, raw concrete walls, exposed pipes, and a vibe that's equal parts minimalism and industrial grit, you've likely encountered brutalism. Once an architectural movement defined by its use of raw materials and stark geometry, brutalism has carved out a niche in interior design, offering a bold and refreshing aesthetic for those who dare to embrace it. I've always been fascinated by brutalism. It's not about frills or decoration. It's about stripping things down to their essence. When you think about it, there's something liberating about a design style that doesn't try to hide anything. It's honest, straightforward, and unpretentious. The heart of brutalism, materials. Let's talk about materials, because that's where brutalism really shines. Concrete is the star of the show, whether it's walls, floors, or even furniture. There's a beauty to its imperfections, the way the texture feels under your hand, the tiny air bubbles, and subtle variations in tone. But it's not just concrete. Steel, glass, and even wood, usually in its rawest, most natural form, play supporting roles. Picture brushed metal light fixtures, reclaimed wooden tables, and massive glass panes that let the light flood in. It's like each material gets to stand on its own, celebrated for what it is. Colors that speak softly. Brutalism isn't about loud colors. Instead, it whispers in neutrals, grays, whites, blacks, and beiges. Occasionally, you'll find a muted green or a rust red, but it's never overwhelming. The palette lets the materials and textures take center stage. Shapes and structure. The geometry in brutalist design is bold, clean, and unapologetically straightforward. Think blocky furniture, thick countertops, and massive, solid forms. It's all about creating a sense of weight and permanence. And yet, the style isn't as cold or rigid as it might seem. The interplay of rough and smooth, matte and polished, hard and soft, keeps things interesting. A concrete wall might pair with a plush, oversized chair, or a glass coffee table might sit atop a thick, rough-hewn rug. Lighting, the unsung hero. Lighting in a brutalist space is often dramatic. Industrial fixtures, like metal pendants or exposed bulbs, are common, but natural light is where the magic happens. Picture sunlight streaming through a floor-to-ceiling window, casting shadows on textured concrete. It's breathtaking in its simplicity. Why I love brutalism. To me, brutalism isn't just a design style, it's a mindset. It's about authenticity, about letting materials and structures speak for themselves. It's for those who appreciate the beauty in imperfection and the artistry in simplicity. It's not for everyone, though. If you're someone who loves intricate details or lots of cozy clutter, brutalism might feel too stark. But if you're drawn to bold, minimalist spaces that challenge traditional ideas of beauty, you might just fall in love with it too. So, if you've ever considered bringing a touch of brutalism into your space, my advice is, go for it. Start small. A concrete planter here, an industrial-style light fixture there. Before you know it, you might find yourself completely hooked on the raw, honest beauty of this striking design style. What do you think about brutalism? Is it too stark or does it strike a chord with you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. The timeless charm of Parisian style. Parisian apartments, the very phrase conjures images of elegance, charm, and effortless sophistication. There's something about these homes that feels both grand and cozy, timeless yet lived in. It's no wonder the Parisian style has become a global design inspiration. So, what exactly makes these apartments so iconic? Let me take you on a quick tour of their defining features and tell you why they've stolen the hearts of design lovers everywhere. Parisian apartments often come with incredible architectural details, thanks to the city's history and its 19th century Haussmannian design. Think soaring ceilings, herringbone parquet floors, intricate crown moldings, and marble fireplaces. These features are the foundation of Parisian style, a perfect blend of elegance and craftsmanship that's impossible to replicate. Large windows are another hallmark, flooding the space with natural light and often opening to charming wrought iron balconies. These balconies aren't just decorative, they're a place for a morning coffee, a glass of wine, or simply admiring the beauty of the city. Parisian style is all about achieving that je ne sais quoi effortlessly. The interiors often balance grandeur with a touch of informality. The secret? Mixing the old with the new. A Parisian apartment might have antique furniture passed down through generations, paired with modern art or contemporary lighting fixtures. It's about creating contrast, an ornate mirror above a sleek console table, or a vintage chandelier in a minimalist dining space. Nothing feels overly curated. Instead, there's a sense that each piece was chosen thoughtfully, adding a personal touch to the home. The color palette in Parisian apartments is typically soft and neutral. Whites, creams, beiges, and grays dominate the walls and larger furnishings. But there's always an element of drama. A bold piece of artwork, a velvet sofa in a deep jewel tone, or even dark wood accents that ground the space. These elements create visual interest while maintaining a sense of calm. The idea is to keep the space timeless, avoiding trends that might feel dated later. Parisian apartments are all about layering textures for warmth and character. Plush area rugs, rich velvets, crisp linens, and soft throws come together to make the space feel inviting. Even the floors, often original hardwood, are a feature in themselves, adding a warm, lived-in vibe. You'll also notice an attention to detail that's unmatched. From perfectly placed books on a coffee table to delicate ceramics on a mantle, every element has its place. But it never feels forced. It's as if everything naturally belongs there. What truly sets Parisian apartments apart is their soul. They're not about perfection, they're about life. A stack of magazines in the corner, fresh flowers in a simple vase, or a pair of shoes left near the door. These details make the space feel real, lived in, and deeply personal. Parisian apartments remind us that design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about emotion. They invite us to slow down, enjoy the beauty of everyday life, and celebrate imperfection. Whether it's the sunlight streaming through the windows, the creak of the wooden floors, or the character of a well-loved piece of furniture, there's something undeniably magical about them. So, if you've been dreaming of bringing a little Parisian charm into your own space, start small. Incorporate a vintage mirror, soften your palette, or add a cozy throw to your sofa. Before you know it, You might just feel like you're sipping coffee in a chic Parisian apartment. No plane ticket required. What's your favorite part of Parisian style? The timeless architecture, the effortless elegance, or maybe the cozy yet sophisticated vibe? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The ultimate guide to a natural and cozy home. Imagine a home that feels like a breath of fresh air, calming, natural, and deeply connected to nature. Today, we're diving into the world of modern organic and biophilic design, a trend that blends minimalism with the beauty of nature. Let's explore what makes this style so unique and how you can bring it into your space. Modern organic design embraces warm minimalism, using neutral colors, natural materials, and soft textures to create a peaceful atmosphere. Biophilic design, on the other hand, focuses on integrating nature into our living spaces, incorporating large windows, greenery, and plenty of natural light. When these styles come together, they create a home that is both stylish and soothing. To achieve this look, it's important to focus on materials and colors that feel natural and welcoming. Wood, stone, linen, and clay add warmth and texture. Earthy tones such as beige, warm white, and soft green contribute to a calming environment. Indoor plants like fiddle-leaf figs bring vibrancy, while furniture with soft curves and organic shapes enhances the cozy aesthetic. Maximizing natural light with sheer curtains and reflective surfaces helps to brighten the space and create a more open feel. Bringing this design into your home starts with simplifying your space. Keep your decor intentional and avoid unnecessary clutter. Layering different textures, such as woven fabrics, soft rugs, and wooden accents, creates a rich and inviting atmosphere. Even a small herb garden or a few well-placed plants can bring a refreshing touch of nature indoors. Warm ambient lighting adds to the cozy feeling, and choosing sustainable furniture and decor helps create a home that is both beautiful and environmentally friendly. And there you have it, an introduction to modern organic and biophilic design. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interior design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which element you'd love to try in your home. See you in the next video. Japandi Harmony, the perfect balance of Japanese and Scandinavian design. Envision a home that feels like a peaceful retreat, where Japanese simplicity meets Scandinavian coziness. Welcome to Japandi, a design style that blends functionality, minimalism, and warmth to create a harmonious living space. In this video, we'll explore what makes Japandi distinctive and how you can bring this serene aesthetic into your home. Japandi is a fusion of Japanese wabi-sabi philosophy, which embraces natural imperfections, and Scandinavian hygge, which focuses on comfort and warmth. The result is an uncluttered, functional, and inviting space that feels both stylish and tranquil. To achieve the Japandi look, focus on a few essential elements. Keep the color palette muted with soft earth tones like beige, gray, and warm browns. Choose natural materials such as wood, linen, and bamboo to create depth and texture. Opt for sleek, functional furniture with clean lines, avoiding anything overly ornate. Finally, bring nature indoors with plants and open, airy spaces to enhance the sense of calm. Incorporating Japandi into your home is easy with a few mindful changes. Declutter your space and keep only the essentials. Invest in high-quality, timeless furniture made from natural materials. Layer soft lighting and cozy textiles like linen curtains or wool rugs to add warmth. And don't forget to include handcrafted decor and simple, functional storage solutions for a clean, balanced look. And that's Japandi in a nutshell. An elegant blend of simplicity, functionality, and warmth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interior design inspiration. Let us know in the comments which Japandi element you'd love to try in your home. See you in the next video. Mid-century modern elegance, timeless style for today's homes. Step back in time to the golden era of design. Mid-century modern style is as vibrant today as it was in the 1950s and 60s. With clean lines, organic forms, and warm tones, this iconic look is all about effortless style and functionality. Let's explore what makes mid-century modern so special and how you can bring it into your home. Mid-century modern is a design movement that emerged in the post-war era, blending sleek minimalism with organic shapes. Think tapered legs, open spaces, and a perfect balance between form and function. It's timeless, stylish, and effortlessly cool. Iconic pieces like the Eames lounge chair and teak furniture define this aesthetic. This style thrives on simplicity and statement pieces. Look for furniture with clean lines and natural materials like wood and leather. Warm wood tones, such as walnut and teak, create a cozy, inviting feel. Soft, neutral color palettes with earthy accents keep the look natural and sophisticated. Geometric patterns, retro lighting, and statement art complete the look. Achieving a mid-century vibe doesn't require a major renovation. Start by adding vintage-inspired furniture, swap out basic lighting for sculptural pendants, and mix modern pieces with retro charm. Focus on warm wood tones, quality craftsmanship, and timeless pieces like the Eames chair. Thrift stores and flea markets are gold mines for authentic mid-century finds. Keep it simple, stylish, and fun. That's mid-century modern, timeless, bold, and effortlessly chic. If you love this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which mid-century piece you'd love in your home. See you in the next one.